The quote editor is the most powerful feature in your toolkit. It's what sets WeQuote apart from other quoting platforms. Simply put, it makes it possible for you to create incredibly accurate quotes at speed. As you build your quote, your changes will be saved automatically, so you'll never lose your progress. This also has the added benefit that multiple people can work on the same quote at the same time. Before you start building a quote, you need to have some products and categories. These could be products that you have imported or a connection with a supplier catalog. If you haven't already done this, we advise you to navigate to the inventory area and set this up before starting to quote. We understand that this is the most time-consuming part of the process. Once you've set this up, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can quote. If you'd like to try out the editor without setting this up, start by adding a custom product that will be uncategorized with an unassigned area. We'll remove the product and continue after you have set up your categories and products. To begin, you'll click on the Add/Remove Categories button, choosing from the available categories and adding them to your quote. Think of categories as the framework to which your products will attach. Now that we've added our categories, we'll add a product to a category using the Add Product button. Here you can choose between your own products or your linked supplier catalogs. Before selecting a product, note the category to which the product is being added. The default is the selected category. Also, note that this product will be added to that category's toolkit. The toolkit is the feature that will limitlessly speed up your quoting process. Choose a product to add to the category. The product has now been added to the category, the quote, and the toolkit. This product will now be attached to that category and available for every future quote from the toolkit. Clicking on the product in the toolkit will add another one to the quote, increasing the quantity. You'll notice that this has automatically created a new unassigned area. Let's add an area by clicking the Add Area button. Now that the area is created, it is automatically added to a group. Groups allow you to organize your areas. So for example, you might have a ground floor group with kitchen, lounge areas within. We'll now take the product from the unassigned area and place it into one of the areas we've created. Select Unassigned and click on the Edit button by the product. Under the area drop-down, select Kitchen and then Save. Your product will now move to the kitchen area. Now select the lounge area and add that same product from the toolkit. That's all you need to do from now on to add that product to an area. See what we mean about the initial setup being the time-consuming part? From here on, it only gets easier until you're able to quote thousands in minutes. You can reorder your categories, areas, and groups to display them in a way that makes sense to you. Simply click, hold, and drag an item to move it up or down the list. If you've added a product to a category by mistake, click the Edit button beside the category and press the Delete button next to the product. As you build on your quotation, you'll see the grand total tallying at the top. This contains the price of your products, labour, and the margin you'll achieve. You can adjust the margins further on the Price Adjustments page. You now have the tools to start building a quote yourself.